Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on. Now I'm not gonna sing complete song, but I gave you a trailer. And why I give you this trailer, you understand? Because today we're gonna discuss about a very important topic and the point of our public speaking. So welcome to the day 6 of 8 days public speaking series. And today we are gonna discuss about the tonality and the vocal cord. So today we are going to discuss about mastering vocal tonality. How to master vocal tonality. Far across that distance, and is a business between us. You have come to show you go on. Let's master the tonality. Let's master the vocal cord. Let's master the quality of the vocal. And today, welcome to one of the greatest day, one of the greatest chapter, and one of the greatest point, that is tonality. Tonality is very important because it gives fascination, inflection, infatuation. It hooks and it creates an emotion. So first of all, importance of vocal tonality we will be discussing about why this vocal tonality is important, why to develop a great vocal cord, why to develop a great and fascinating sound and voice. Let's talk on this point. First of all, it adds emotion because it always says emotion. Go on, this has an emotion. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सन. This has an emotion, right? नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चहती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, गिरकर चढ़ना, चढ़कर गिरना ना अखरता है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. These lines have emotion, and when you use a proper tonality, you are gonna just mesmerize each and every one. So also it emphasizes key points, right? When you use a proper tonality, it emphasizes the actually key points and important point. Let's have an example of Kaun Banega Crorepati. When someone wins the lottery of 5 crore or 7 crore rupees, Amitabh Bachchan stands up and says, 7 crore! And why does he emphasize this exact key point or line? Because this is the most important line of that game. 7 crore! So this 7 crore is actually important. That's why he emphasizes this line. And the next we have engages audience, right? When you talk about the proper tonality, it engages audience, it hooks, it tries to convey your message in an easy way and in a hooking way and in emoting way. That's why it's very important to use proper tonality. And now we are coming to impact on perception. This also impacts on the perceptions, thoughts, psyches of human beings and your audience. That's why please use proper tonality, right? Now we will be discussing about elements of vocal tonality, right? So how to actually, like what are the elements of vocal tonality? What are the points that's used actually, in your tonality or building your tonality? So that is pitch. Pitch is very important, where you have to do high pitch, low pitch, high pitch, low pitch, right? That pitch is very important. For example, when you talk about WWE commentary, you see that, how is the commentary there and what kind of pitch is used there. You just, observe it and you will find that it is the most inflex sound there, right? For example, when they start commentary, they start saying it, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the WrestleMania. And now the death is around us. And who is that, Let's welcome one of the beasts, the death, the well of death, the ocean of death, Undertaker, ladies and gentlemen. So they have very solid, very fat, very dynamic, magnetic pitch they use for each and every word or for important words when they say Undertaker. So they're high pitch. Undertaker. Undertaker. No. Undertaker. So they go with the high pitch. Sometimes high pitch is important. Sometimes low pitch is important. It is all about what you want to convey. And this is all about your variations of sound. Then pause. That's very important. When you want to hook somebody or stop somebody's breath, just have pause and show the pause. What is this pause? Pause is like a breaker for your bike and for your vehicle, right? Just pause is a stoppage. Ladies and gentlemen, you must have seen multiple people in your life, but you would have or you must never have seen a person like me. Because I am the person who has covered the distance of multiple failures and rejection in his life. And I am that person. And I want to remind you today the life lessons. You just have the pause. And that pause is very connecting and hooking. Then you have volume. That volume high, volume low. थोड़ा volume तो बढ़ाओ, DJ वाले बाबू मेरा गाना तो बजाओ. And after that, that pace in the sound, right? You know, pace. बेबी को बेस पसंद है, किसी को FIR का केस पसंद है, मैं मोहम्मद अब्दुल्ला, मुझे अपना भारत देश पसंद है, तो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग को थोड़ा पेस पसंद है. पेस, variations, bring variations, work on your volume, work on your tonality, work on your pitch, work on your pauses, work on your stress. These are very important, right? After that, practice variability, techniques to improve tonality. How to improve your tonality? What to do to improve your tonality? I can say that you start singing from today. I can say you start putting quotes, you start just making some rhymes today. I can say that start doing some drama and acting today. I also can say that start just, working on your sound today by just, pronouncing different words. But there are also few lines which is practice variability, right? Practice always variations. Say something very loud, something very slow, something very speedy, something very slow, something very high with high sound and noise, something very filter with very filter sound, right? I can say that you are very good, but I want to say that you're very good. I just want to say that you are the best person, but I want to say that you are also the worst person. So you have to work on your variability. Use pauses effectively, right? As we mentioned about the pause, use pauses effectively. Make it very much effective, right? I don't only care you, I don't only remember you, but I love you so much. Because since when I have seen you, or I'm just, I have been observing you, I have just fallen in complete a deep love. So that's why I love you so much. I love you so much. Emphasizes keywords, right? That's very important. Avoid monotone. Please just, never use this monotone. Never use a single sound or single voice, right? Never use a single voice or single tone in your speaking. Never use a single like, hi, hello, I am fine. I want to say that you are a very good person. You are a very fine person. I am also fine. I am fantastic. No, please stop all these, all these mistakes. You will find nothing. You will just be a boring and monotonous person and monotonous speaker and orator. That's why what you have to do, you have to be you have to be sounding very good, and you need to just be in a variation on variability, right? Now, coming to the next point, exercises to strengthen vocal tonality, right? Pitch exercise. Please start pitch exercise, right? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. You are my everything because you are my mother. You're my mother. That's why you are my everything. You have done a lot of things for me. You haven't slept so many nights. You haven't eaten so many times. You have scorched yourself under the sunny and scorching sunlight. You have also got weight in red multiple times. Just why? Just to protect me, to love me, to care me, and to save me. That's why you are the best. You're the best member of my family, and you are my mother. Breathing exercise. I want to say that. I want to say that. That's very good. And I want to say that that's very good. And I want to say that that's very good. So you have to breathe. And then recording and playback. Record your voice, tonality, sound in the camera and the phone, and then listen to it again and again. And you will find that, yes, you are improving yourself and you will find the best version of yourself. Thank you. Hope that this was fruitful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much.